How to use the data safety section on Google Play. This tutorial shows you what it is and how to read it before downloading any app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. From there, search for any app and tap on it to open the app details page. After that, scroll down until you see the data safety section and tap See Details to open the full breakdown. At this point, the first thing you'll see is Data Shared. This shows what information the app shares with third parties, such as app activity like app interactions and in-app search history. From there, scroll down to the Data Collected section. This is where you can see everything the app collects from your device. Following this, go through the list carefully. Depending on the app, this can include messages, location, app activity, app info and performance, audio, photos and videos, personal info, financial info, contacts, and other identifiers. After that, scroll down further to the Security Practices section. Here you can see whether your data is encrypted while in transit, whether the app has gone through an independent security review, and if it follows Google Play's Families policy for kids apps. From here, you'll also find the Data Deletion section at the bottom. This is where developers can provide a way for you to request the removal of any data the app has collected on you. Finally, once you've gone through all of this, you'll have a much clearer picture of how the app handles your data before you decide to download or keep using it. That's how you use the data safety section on Google Play. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next upload.